If you're looking to create videos using a top-down perspective, like the angle you see in a lot of cooking, craft or how-to videos, then in this video I'm going to share an easy and inexpensive way to do it. Let's get started. The first component is this microphone swing arm, which has two parts. The top part extends and contracts like so, and the base. To set up, loosen the opening at top of the base and slide the swing arm down. Then tighten. Second component is this ball head mount that gives you dynamic range of motion. Be sure to look for a ball head mount that articulates 90 degrees. Screw the ball head onto threaded bolt of the swing arm and tighten. The last component is the smartphone mount. This one can articulate 90 degrees and can also be adjusted to fit narrow and wide devices. Loosen the ball head and position the clamp so that you can attach your smartphone on it. Adjust the smartphone clamp to fit your device, then tighten the hole. Make sure each joint of the swing arm is nice and tight and you're ready to roll. That's it. Now you can position your phone to face the direction you're shooting pictures. As you can see, the setup is pretty awesome. No matter where you position it, it holds firm. You can loosen the base of the swing arm and have it swivel 360 degrees. Or you can loosen the ball head and it articulates 90 degrees in either direction. Now you're all set to create as many projects as your heart desires.